baseball program, and also my son-in-law was constantly deployed from the military world, and Autism Tree just filled in our family's life and changed our lives. And also Dana, just being around Dana always makes me feel like, you know, there's a possibility that I could one day be Dana, which isn't true, but anyway, I love her so much. And it's fantastic. And I can only afford a dinghy, but I like to buy a dinghy for PJ. And part of the $39 will go to Autism Tree. I'm very excited about that. And I just want to say Phil is awesome, but he's wrong about one thing. The next big event is not the stupid golf tournament. Okay? It's the comedy show that we're going to be putting on. Right? And I am so lame, I can't find my note about which day it is. It's 2 Sundays from now. Okay, is it right behind me? Okay, that one.
It's this Sunday.
Right here, April 16th. The Comedy Store donated the room for us, so, and it's going to be really fun. You know, they say that laughter is the best medicine. It's not. Botox is the best medicine, but laughter is so free and inexpensive. So if you guys want to have a great time, some of the best comics that I know have donated, well, practically donated their time to be with us. So Jesse Egan and Mal Hall are going to do the show with me, and it's going to be super fun. Plus, I have a really fun surprise guest. So I hope you guys come to this show. It's Sunday night. It's going to be super fun in La Jolla. I know a bunch of you have already bought the VIP table, so thank you for that. And again, just also thank you all for what you're doing. Just my humble heart, just grateful to be in your presence. Just amazing people. Thank you.
Thank you.